Hi again, Christopher. So excited, we're getting started. So this lesson is going to be on numbers, and we have lots of numbers here. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know you can count higher than that, right? But this is just practice for your writing, and I need you to take your, I have a pen here, but you have crayons or markers or whatever you have, and you can trace these numbers and make your own at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. There's another thing that you can do. We'll do some of these together, but we'll have some more fun. Another thing you can do, and this one only goes up to 5. This is that same picture as the ABC one, but it starts with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll see if I can find one that's a little bit harder with more numbers for you. Now this is something called a number line. It starts with the number 0, which means nothing, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, Christopher, I know that you can count to 10, but let's see if you can count beyond 10 going up to 20. And maybe if I point to this one, you have to tell me what it is. Right, 15. Now, once you get past 20, it gets very easy. We've done this on our calendar when we get 21, 22, and we go up to 100. So you have both of these number line pages. We're going to do some adding and subtracting with our number line. So save that page. I might even laminate it for you. We'll see. So that's your number line page. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have our blocks from our ABC page. And today I think we're going to count how many blocks high we can make a tower. I'm going to start with, and we have to count it. I have to make it higher so you can see it in my video here. I'm going to start with 1. Maybe you can see that. That's the letter T. I'm not putting them in ABC order this time, but I'm going to count how many blocks I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not set up the right way for you to read the letters, but you're so smart, maybe you can do that. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I chose all the blue letters. If I turn it around, maybe you can see there's pictures on the side, and there's yellow letters. But I have this on a wobbly thing, but maybe at your house you can see how high you can make your block tower, and maybe you and I will have a contest to see how many we can make high until it falls over. Maybe 20, I don't know. Here's a little page, and it has apples because it's getting to be fall. September's coming soon, and this is when all the you might even go apple picking with mom and dad, and the apples are so good. So this is counting also, and I don't know if you remember, we made an apple project last year. We cut an apple in half. Let's see if I can show you. Here's the apple. And I cut it in half this way so you don't see the stem. And inside was the star. Well, I took all the seeds out so that I have a little bowl of apple seeds here. And this is a project. You can do it with real apple seeds, but then you have to eat all those apples. Or you can do it with this picture. You can just color them. Now, I'm going to count. This is so easy. I know you can do it, but this is just, we're getting started with school again. So sometimes you have to go back over some ideas. So this is an apple, and let's count the seeds. 1, 2. So here's some numbers, and you're going to color in number 2, okay? Because there's 2 seeds in this apple. and on and on and on and on and on. And it only goes up to 10 because I don't think there's an apple big enough to have more than 10 seeds in real life. So every time you eat an apple, you're going to cut it and see how many seeds are in there. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is see how tall we are. Whoa, remember we did this? We did this at the end of June to see how much you grew. So today I want you to, and Miss Albertine or Mom or Dad, to put yourself up against a wall and see how tall you are in inches. Now this one is a tape measure. You might have just a ruler that only goes up to 12. And then you'd have to add one ruler and then another ruler and on and count past 12. But you're going to see, you have to put this way at the bottom, number 1, and count all the way up to see how tall you are. And I don't know, you must have grown a lot over the summer because you look so tall. And we'll see how many inches tall you are, okay? And then you can measure things in your house because measuring and counting is very important. I don't know how many steps you have in your house. I know you have steps going up your front from the street, and so maybe you can count how many steps up to your house and then how many steps from the upstairs to the, from the living room to the upstairs, or maybe from the living room to the basement. You have so many steps in your house, and you can count every time you go up the steps or down the steps. Now, I have one more little thing, and this is easy for you also, and it's telling me which is more and which is less. So this is the little project. We'll do it together. Here's one dinosaur and 1, 2, 3 ants. So which is more, the ants or the dinosaur? You're going to tell me when I see you, right? And then which is less? I'm going to tell you the answer. So the dinosaur is less because it's only 1. And the ants are more because they're 3. 3 is more than 1. Those we can do together very, very easily. We'll play some games, taking away and adding on, and that's adding and subtracting, and that's math. You can do it with your fingers too. We can add and subtract. So here's our book for Number Day. All right, this is called Race Car Count. Here we go. Race Car Count. Who's the author of this? Rebecca K. Dotlich. That's a nice name. Race Car Count. And the pictures were by Michael Slack. Ooh, red light, yellow light, green light. Go! You know how to read that word. Here we go. Race car 1 honks. Look at me. He zooms in front with the turn of a key. We're going to learn a song about zooming in the car. Race car 2, all sleek and new, blares. Hey, look at me. I'm coming too. Wow, he's a big one. So we have 1 and 2. I'll sit on this side. Whoa, look at this splat. Race car 3 flies through the rain. A roar of blue zips down the lane. Wow, that's a big splash. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Race car 4, ooh, the red one, all shiny red, rumbles and grumbles and pulls ahead. Wow, race car 4 is in the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Race car 5 is but a blink. Her nickname, Beep, is Little Pink. I like the pink one. 1, where's 1, 2, 3? Oh, there they are, way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Race car 6 is going strong. Steady does it. You can't go wrong. Oh, look, they have a loop-de-loop. Do you have one of those at your house? I don't know. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Race car 7 squeals, I'm the best. His speedy engine aced the test. Uh-oh. Look at the other ones. I can't even see. One is upside down, 2 is sideways, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7. Got a cool engine. Race car 8 is dynamite. Thunders, roars, and swerves to the right. My right is over here, and your right is over there because we're facing each other. But we'll learn about right and left in a little while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is in the lead. Let's see what happens. Race car 9 goes blowing by. Show off. She's not camera shy. She likes all the shiny stuff on her. There you can see her. There we go. And here's all the others. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 9. Okay, they passed the alligators here. Oh, 10. Race car 10 has finished last. Still, his wheels are lightning fast. It looks more like a school bus. He came in at the end, but that's okay. He finished. Okay. Now they're all lined up. All lined up. 10 in a row. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All in a row. Red light, yellow light, green light. See that? This is like a real race. Red, yellow, green light. And what's next? Oh, uh-oh. What's happening? They're all going in different directions. That's not going to be a good race. Silly, silly. Well, that's a very nice book. And we'll read it together when I see you on our FaceTime. I have a project. I'm going to make a pink race car. So what I think I'll do, if I can find my marker. Oops. I'll use a blue marker. I had a different one here. So, oh, here it is. This one's going to show up better, my black marker. So in order to make a race car, and I'm sure that I know you like a lot of cars, so I'm going to make a pointy front maybe, like that. Whoa, maybe you could even take your foot, because your foot has a little point on it. I'm going to give it some wheels. 1, 2. This is a sideways picture, so you really don't see the other ones, but you could kind of see them under here. Then I'm going to need headlights. And maybe a window. And here's the driver. That's me. I'm going to give it some hair. Yay! I'm going to wave. Hi, Christopher. Hello. And it needs an exhaust pipe. So there's my race car. And I hope you can make your race car. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Bye.